Here I have Nissan Ariya Nismo, and let me show you how to reset all navigation settings on the following car. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Then from the home screen, let's find the navigation button right here. Let's use the navigation button. It's on the left side of the screen, the third button. And now, if you have the navigation app opened, you can use the navigation settings. So you need to locate the gear icon. The gear icon is located right here. Let's just tap it. And as you can see, now you've got access to the following navigation settings. Let's select here the reset all navigation settings to default. So if you would like to reset those map settings, routing preferences, voice guidance, the user info, etc., you can just restore the default settings just by using this one button. Tap reset all navigation to default. If you would like to do this, you need to confirm it. So tap yes to return all settings to their default. Tap yes. And all navigation settings have been returned to the default state. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.